Hi everybody, this is Daniel from Camper Iceland. We received this question from Canada, from our friend Alain in Quebec. And he had actually a great question, where to shop in Iceland, because Iceland is considered expensive enough already, so we need some kind of guidance where to go shopping. I already have these two bags in my hand, one with the pink pig from Bónus and the other one with this, I don't know what it is, lemon or something from Krónan. And the thing is that when I was a kid growing up in Iceland, this company was started, and it sort of like saved our nation because it was the first time when we had cheap prices, and still is apparently the cheapest store in Iceland. So the winner is probably Bónus, followed by Krónan, and followed by, I say, because they have really nice vegetable and they take care of the layout inside the store, where Bónus focuses on good prices and they also have good products. As you can hear, I'm not going to say for me which one is better. I actually prefer going to Krónan when I shop for vegetables and stuff because I like the layout in there. But the initial shopping should probably be done by Bónus. But to cover your question, we wrote this post, and we also want to go into where can you go shopping while you're driving around Iceland, where can you initially go shopping, and we put in a restaurant guide with the 30 best restaurants that we can find online and created a little guide. I hope this answers your question. Feel free to ask more questions. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.